8 weeks. 8 weeks this is taking to show up. Scarlett's present. I haven't even opened the box yet. So what do we get in the box then? Thank you very much for supporting us. We hope that you will enjoy this part for your beloved Roadster after waiting over 8 weeks for it. We tried our best to make this product as easy to install as possible, but we recommend professional installation for all body parts. I am a professional after all, so we'll be fine. You can check out our YouTube channel named Carbon Miata. We don't need to do that. So, what's in the box? Well, that letter and these two new fabulous looking LED lights. Now, I know that I bought the clear ones for Scarlett about a year odd ago, and I do like them, but it's the OCD within me that has screamed out loudly that, well, these look good, they don't look so good against the halos, so yeah, I forked out for these from Carbon Miata over in America, and now it's just a case of fitting them, shall we? What do we need? Just a screwdriver, that's it. All my bodge jobs coming out in one go. So in behind here, basically the switchbacks that operate for Scarlett, and I have done what I hoped I wouldn't have done, and I have wired them onto the old loom, which comes out and is replaced by this one. And I have to just hope that this is wired the right way around. We shall see, we shall see. So you open this one up, push this along, this is better wired, and that reveals these. So this goes on this way, red, black and green. The yellow will be the green, and the red will be the red. Yeah, so it's just a case of like for like swap. I'll do that and then we'll get this fitted in. A jiffy. I will admit it feels a bit wrong to be buying something brand new and then putting these crimp-on connectors back on, but no matter. It's how the lights work. So it's basically just these, the little clips that go over, and then these will make the connection. I hope this works. Red to red, green to yellow. Eee, what have I done? And then that would just sit back straight in there. I'm not going to do it right now because I want to make sure everything works. And then we just put this in. And hopefully, if you pull that out there like that, it should just be two screws straight through here. These feel a wee bit more beefy than the old ones. Talk amongst yourselves, this will take a minute. Now that I've gone through all the effort of bolting it in first and not testing it, we'll test it. Yeah, like what you're supposed to do before you fit it in. Yeah, just pretend that didn't happen. When I said this was going to be an easy job, what I actually meant was this is going to be an absolute nightmare of a job, and it's going to take way longer than I expected due to the wiring. Still, nearly there. Oh, I've just remembered. We'll cut all the footage that I've shot on the other side that was badly wired by me, and we'll replace it with this bit. This is the good stuff. So what we have here is the BV Autos side that remains. So this is all very good because we've got the extension. All we need to do is this. Unclip here. Very easy. And then put this one on. Done! That back in there. That in there. Clip it where it's supposed to go. Sort of. That in there. Can't seem to ever film a video on this channel without sirens. It's just not possible. There we are. It was a wee bit more difficult than I anticipated, but yeah, done. Let's light them up. So what do you think? Me? I really like it. I know that MX5 Parts is doing a version similar to these. I think they're from, is it IL Motorsport? But I don't think they look as nice as these do. I think these look amazing. Link will be in the description. Obviously I know that the purists and the die-hard OEM style mob will go, oh, that's not very nice, doesn't suit the car in the slightest, put a set of originals back on. But I like to be able to see where I'm going, and to be honest, I think they look better. It's the first time I've seen a set of TSIs that I believe look better than the OEMs. I say, let me know in the comments whether you like it or not. I really like it. I will throw in a couple of nighttime shots as well so that you can actually get a proper feel for what they look like at night. Yeah, on that note, we'll call it quits there, and relatively easy job apart from my shonky wiring. Yeah, if you have watched the entirety of this video, as always, thanks very much, and please feel free, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care, bye. Oh, I really like that.